Hi everyone, it's me, Mrs. Groner, and we are going to do some letter sound practice. Our two newest letter sounds are V, which says V. When I make the V sound, my bottom lip comes up and touches the top of my teeth. My tongue stays down and my lips vibrate. V, 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 like that. The other sound we're going to look at today is the E. E says eh. When I say eh, my mouth almost goes into a smile. My tongue stays down and it widens out. Eh, eh. Let's go ahead and practice. Ready? V, eh, eh, v, v, eh, v, eh, v, eh, v, eh, v, eh, eh. V, v, eh, v, v, eh, v, eh, v, eh, v, eh, eh, v, 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 eh, 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 v, 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 eh, 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 v, eh, v, eh, v, 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 eh. Great job practicing with me. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you soon.